Right, welcome along. P-Raw checking in. Just a mid-foot shoe update. We did get hold of the torx bolts, and as the plan was, obviously stainless steel. Stain less, depending what quality of stainless steel you get. It's going to stain less, stop that corrosion. And I was able to torque them up a bit tighter than you would with an Allen key. That was the idea. So those are FT tight now. That chunk, God knows what that ripped off on. I could have used epoxy in there or something, but I kind of used that because you can just like knife it out again if you need to. And on the inside we used, hold up, alright, that's so much better. We just used a piece of, well, that's me with my OCD, it had to be black, piece of plastic, and the same on the other one, same in there, and that little flapper just goes down. Obviously when the sole's on it. But yeah, see, looks like nothing's happened apart from the T-nuts there. I've done them up well tight. They're not, hopefully not going to go anywhere. There are not a lot of resources online. Mid-foot cleat. It's not really something, like I say, it's not something that people like don't want to do. They don't even know it exists. They don't even know that the option's out there, and I think it's something that should be offered more. Obviously it's a very, very custom thing to do, and not everyone's got the capabilities to do that, but we did it. That's just me. I'm able to, I guess, get my head around things. The cleats on the bottom, this could turn into a yabbler, but the cleats on the bottom, assuming, which I did take quite a lot of measurements, hence that's why that, not see, yeah, that one line there is slightly off because we had to move it a little bit, because I think obviously there's mouldings going on with the soles of these shoes, but as far as symmetrical goes, I think they might be ever so slightly out. You can't take like indentations and like emblems like that. There's like, that's where the line is, you know. As you can see, they are slightly, and then going from here to here. But we will test them eventually. Being a busy boy and all that, we'll get round to it. So yeah, just want to update that. Got the stainless, as you can see. Repeat, and that'll do on there. Because I think you can agree. I agree, if it's raining that hard, water's going to get everywhere. Anyway, P-Raw over and out. We're gone. Oh, and just before I go, always put an old bit of crappy rag on the floor or something to protect your saddle. Top tip, any old rag would do.